Abeer Show.
Farm animals live for farms and are cared for by farmers. They give us milk, egg, wool, and help in farming. A cow is a farm animal that gives us fresh milk. It eats grass and lives on farms with farmers. This is my cow. Show me yours. Is a strong animal that run very fast. People ride horses and use them to carry things on farm. This is sheep. A sheep is a farm animal with soft, fluffy wool. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes. 3 black wool. 1 for my master, 1 for my name, 1 for little boy who lived along the lane. This wool is used to make warm clothes and blankets. A donkey is a hard-working farm animal. It helps farmers carry heavy loads. A rabbit is a small farm animal with long ears and fins. It loves to eat carrots, grass, vegetables. A hen, farm animal that lays eggs. It lives on farms and eats grains and seeds. A pig is a farm animal, round body and a curly tail. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.
Abeer Show.